Hey, good morning. Avi, good morning. Rodrigo, good morning. Morning, guys. Sunday morning. Let's have a coffee. Maurice, good morning. Natsa. Yeah, Sunday morning. Like usual, we can have a coffee together. Coffee so good. Mati, good morning. Just grab a coffee. Mm. Monis, Sorin, waiting for coffee on my bed. You're lucky, man. Waiting for coffee on your bed. I will ask Diana if I can do it. Don't have a good morning. Morning, guys. Gabor, good morning. Didi, check that. Didi's on the chat. She said, yeah, I can't do it. No. No, you see why you are lucky. Yeah, that's why. Shanks, good morning. Greetings from Mexico. Kid, good morning. Lampros, good morning. Silvio. Natsa. Morning, guys. Beer and pizza. Nah, no beer. Munrus, Natsa. Yeah, she's waiting. Of course, she's waiting. Did your lessons apply to phones too? To be honest, I stopped fixing phones. Just, I don't have that much dexterity and patience. And also, the people, they will not fix cheap phones. They will fix expensive phones. And expensive phones are hard to be fixed. Let's say like that. I mean, not gonna split the iPhone board in two parts just to see if I can fix it. Yeah, yeah. Sebastian, good morning. Ken, good morning. Milan, good morning. Lucian, good morning. Have you already bought a Christmas tree? You didn't heard? The Christmas has been cancelled, at least here in England. When do you take Romanian language lessons? To take lessons. Why? Costa, good morning. Why? So on my street, and it's a long street, I'm the only one who has Christmas lights outside. The only one. Uh, some councils, they will fine people if they put Christmas decoration outside because of hazard and safety. So now people are scared. Not, of course, not every council, but they are scared anyway, and no one is doing it anymore, which sucks to be honest. So yeah, it doesn't feel like it's Christmas here. No, no. Can you please put the mic volume up? Uh, I can, but when I get excited, like we have picture. You see. I can see the level. It's going to the red. Crazy, yeah, it is crazy. It's insane. I mean, of course, behind of this is another reason, but that's a different story. I mean, I'm not bothered. I put a decoration outside, but the neighbors, I try to find out, and yeah, they don't want headache. Like the rules. Some councils prefer to find people. So yeah. Mati, you're from England. You seen on the news? They are fining people for putting decorations outside. I know. You seen the news? Crazy. But I swear, if I'm going outside, I can take a picture, show it like no decoration on the whole street, nothing. Fireworks on the New Year are also banned? No. Mike, good morning. Look, Mike, you're from England. You put Christmas decorations outside? Yes? Okay. You see? Mike, it's an open mind guy. I try not to watch that. I'm trying as well, but they just pop up when I'm going on YouTube. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is crazy. But anyway, let's speak about something else. Let's speak about something nice. Christmas is coming, and to feel like Christmas, we have to, prepare the food we like. Morning, guys. What if you made a list of must-have like parts like MOSFETs, BQ chips? MOSFETs is the only MOSFET I buy is the one which is getting shorted at the input of the gaming laptop. So I bought like a 150 amps one from AliExpress. I have few, not only one. So when I have a laptop with burn first MOSFET, I'm gonna use something. I'm using something bigger than usual. Actually, you know what? I think I just ran out. Huh? Possible. What food will be on the table? We have a specialty on our country in Romania. Um, Turkish people they have, I think Polish people they have this called sarmale or sarma. Yeah, depends of the country. Basically, it's like meat with all kind of stuff inside of how it's called cabbage. Yeah, but it's like sour cabbage. Yeah, so that's what I will have for Christmas. And for New Year, probably turkey, sarmadakia in Greeks. Yeah, I think every country has. I think the Romanian they imported from Turkish people. Yeah, but it's proper good. It's proper good. Sarma is Balkan food of Orthodox. I mean, what Orthodox thing it has to do with the sarma? Sarma in Serbia, yeah. 1 second. In your video, what is the default temperature you're using to desolder the chips? 480. I'm using max temperature 50% air. Tom Cruise, nu, Diana e însărcinată cu treaba asta. Never heard of it? Let me show you, Mati. Let me show you. 1 second. 1 second. I have to find the right channel. Where is the right YouTube channel for something like that? Anyone knows? No? No one, huh? Jamie. Ha! Jamie. Kids. Videos. Okay, I'm a bit confused here. Not a problem. Not a problem. Found it. Found it. Check here, yeah? Check here. How can I do it? Not sure if the video it will have sound. That's the Sarma. Yeah.
Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna make cabbage rolls. The most important ingredient for this recipe is the cabbage. So I'm not gonna use a fresh cabbage, I'm gonna use a sour cabbage. We're gonna start by chop the onion and prepare the meat.
Yeah. So now you understand, right? Yeah. That's Diana video. I follow your recommendation and I bought 10 amps. No way you'll find I never said linear power supply 10 amps. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, I'm fully happy. Korad, no, I have different one, but I remember this name. You sure it's linear? Um, you sure it's linear? I don't think it's linear. No. Personal, I don't think this is a linear power supply. It's not saying anywhere it's a linear power supply. You have it's saying about low noise and ripple, which is characteristic to switching power supplies. I don't think this is a linear power supply. I mean, you must know better. If you open the power supply and there is like a big freaking transformer, because for 10 amps, you can't even, probably doesn't even have space on that box. So, no. No, I'm really sorry. The box is too small for like a 10 amps power supply. It is 100%? Hard to believe. Yeah. How your daughter going flying? Yesterday, my daughter passed the meteorology exam. Huh? So the next exam is the navigation one. Yeah, it's going great. Yeah, it's going great. Just the weather, so she could not fly yesterday. Over the winter, it's not much flying because let's say if it's not raining, then the clouds are low, and if they are clouds, they cannot fly. So the clouds has to be like over 3,000 feet in order to fly. So yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah, yes, yeah, everything is going great. Yeah. When she's flying us to Amsterdam, uh, I mean the idea of the private pilot license is not to do private flights. To it's a requirement in order to get the ATPL. So she will end the university with a frozen ATPL, which it will be unfrozen after 1,500 hours. But in Europe, compared with United States, you can get higher with 200 hours only. In United States, you can't do it. You need 1,500 hours in order to get higher. So it's a big advantage on Europe when it's about being a pilot. Yeah. Is there a specific power supply used for short circuits? No. I mean, you cannot have a power supply which has short circuit protection. If has short circuit protection, you cannot push current into a short. Yeah, that's why you want a stupid power supply. You want something cheap, stupid. If the power supply is smart, it will cut the power down if you try to push current into a short circuit. I thought in the UK you get higher easier. Nah, nah. I will say probably Amsterdam, from what I heard. I don't know. I have no idea. But yeah. HP power supply, power USB-C not working, but jack working fine. You know what, Lucian? There is so much confusion. Yeah, even on my videos, I seen people. Yeah, but the USB is not charging. It's not supposed to charge. So many USB-Cs, and I swear there are like 50, more than 50% laptops are meant to supply power, not to work on the USB-C. So you have to pay. I mean, even if you check the manual, you'll not find that much info about this. So many laptops they can work with USB-C, they supply power, but they are not getting charged by the USB-C. So you can have like probably your laptop is fine, but it's not supposed to take. I mean, I have gaming laptops, and the people said, "Yeah, my gaming laptop is fine, but it's not charging by the USB-C." I mean, you have a 15 amps charger. How it will charge on the USB-C? Yeah, so you have to pay attention. It comes with a USB-C charger. Then it's strange. Why it will come with a USB-C charger? It has a round pin. For what is the round pin there? Why they put a round pin? And they didn't supply the charger. Anyway, if the laptop is working by the round pin charger but not the USB-C, you are lucky. Because who cares about the USB-C anyway? If you can, if you can not use the USB-C, then not use it. Use the round pin charger. Tom Cruise. Yeah, I was like a young young Sorin fixing that kind of stuff, you know, tape players with rubber rubber belts and that kind of yeah. I remember the times. I mean, everyone was fixing everything. Everything it was repaired. Everything it was repaired. Doesn't we have like a lot of tape players, and most common fault is was like burn audio amplifier because the people they will try to connect like external speakers, and then the internal amplifier got burned, and were using like different, just modifying the schematic and using a different audio amplifier. No, nothing was thrown away. No, everything was repaired. Yeah. I was using a lot like TDA2003, which is a very simple to build audio amplifier for like 5 watts. And you have like 3-4 components and that's all. Yeah. Did you miss these days? Yeah, I do. I do. I do miss them. Because I knew whatever is coming for repair, I will fix it. Yeah, like TVs, like, radios, tape players, car radios, like whatever. Yeah, I do miss the days. Yeah. So no one start playing Path of Exile, the new druid build, huh? And you have the new sorcerer ascendancy. The TV, yeah. My first TV was a color TV full of transistors and only transistors. And I fixed it, of course. If it's only transistor, you will fix it at some point. It took me a while, but I fixed it. Then, if you remember, has the be playing new season of the Warzone. I play Diablo one day. They released the new Paladin, and like few hours later, PoE Path of Exile. Diablo season. Diablo. You seen what kind of competition is between Diablo and PoE? I mean, they launched the game like hours apart, hours. I'm sorry, but I cannot play Diablo if PoE 2 it's out. So yeah. I bought the Paladin. I like Diablo, but not on the same time with PoE 2. How is the RAM price here? No idea. I didn't buy RAM, so not sure. Not sure about that. I remember I want to show you something, but I don't remember what. No, I don't remember what. SSD and RAM price jumped. I seen something from Gamer Nexus. Yeah, I seen a video about RAM prices because they are not selling to the people; they are selling for the AI. Yeah. Did you buy a Pixie Ray? No, not yet, Mike. No, not much time for ham radio. Did you try to fix graphics cards? No, really. It's hard to explain. You know what? I will do a video about this because you'll never understand me. And I took some time and I searched across the world. Yeah. So we have people on like say Africa, Asia, even as East Europe. East Europe, if you fix one laptop per day, you can make a living, like a very decent living. Like Asia, like India, Pakistan, then you have Africa. If they fix like one laptop per month, they can make a living. Just to understand. So whatever is not worth repairing for me, definitely it's worth repairing for the other people from different countries. But UK is is the second worst country to be a repairman. The first worst country to be a repairman is Switzerland. They have like the um, the minimal wage is very high. It's higher than UK. But after the Switzerland, it's United Kingdom, the worst country to be a repairman. So in order to stay efficient, I have to avoid a lot of jobs, and just based on the time, based on the you have to predict you have more than 50% chance to fix that job because otherwise I will not take it. Yeah. And I'm sorry, I have to do the content based on what I'm doing here, based on the country actually. Did you manage to fix that Lenovo laptop with a faulty PE controller? I don't remember which one. $1,000 rent. It's even higher. UK is even higher compared with the United States. The minimal wage. So probably in the United States they are more relaxed when about the repairs. Probably they are doing more repairs than here. Um, I don't know, Mike. The problem is not the parts. The problem is the time. I mean, I wish to have time. I wish to change CPUs and GPUs and chipsets, and I wish to spend like a day on diagnose. I wish to have that kind of life. But I can't. That's the thing. So the only content I can do on YouTube is based on what I'm doing, and what I'm doing, it are like jobs where I have more than 50% chance to fix them. And when I'm picking up a job, a customer takes me, okay, I want to fix this. If I spot like I can't fix it, I will not take that job. If not I can't fix it. No, if I spot I am like less than 50% chance to fix it, I will not take the job. Janos, good morning. Throw away. They can get away. A manufacturer can get away, just sticking their linked components one to the other and without being punished. Yeah, they have no problem. Yeah, they will do it. Yeah. If you don't punish and you don't enforce the right of the repair, they will do whatever they want. And it will be worse. It will get worse. Why you don't live in a small town? I'm living in a small town. You have to focus on micro soldering on the motherboard. Huh? I think there is a gap market regards micro soldering. I'm not sure I understand. I mean, in order to replace a component on a board, you have to do micro soldering, right? I'm living in Germany, working as electrician. Electricians, they are well paid, even here in England. Fixing laptops and GPU is just a hobby. Yeah, it's making sense. It's making sense. It's a small town, just too close to London. Huh. Yeah. It is. How many videos you have planned on laptop repairs tutorial series? Um, Depends on what time it's allowing me. There is no limit to do like videos about motherboards. Try to explain everything. It's no limit there. It's just about the time. When I will have time, I will do videos. Amar, good morning. Does an energy drink count the same as coffee? I mean, I don't know, but the coffee is better, right? Instead of having like a Red Bull. Red Bull has caffeine, but this has a lot more. You need to repair all type of electronics. No one it will post you at TV. If you have a shop, yeah, it's making sense, but I'm working from home. The postage it will be more expensive, probably like the TV itself. Have you ever been to Canada? No, not yet. Not yet. What about MacBook repairs? I stopped doing it. I stopped doing it because it's just, most of the faults there around the PD controllers, and you can't really replace them, and just a mess. And everything is small, and you need a lot of time to take the board out, and yeah, it just. I start losing money. When I start losing money, I stop fixing it. So I start losing money. I lost money on a laptop. So I bought a lot of components and a lot of like flex cables and stuff, and sent the laptop back. Didn't work because it was a liquid damage job, and yeah, and that's the moment I said, you know what, I don't need this headache. But even if I'm, let's say, on the jobs I didn't lose money, MacBook repairs. Here is not like United States. Yeah, actually, here are not a lot of MacBooks. At least I'm not getting a lot of MacBooks. What like? I'm live streaming, but it's look live streaming. You see, there are people there watching us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, my puppy is. Yeah, you want? Yeah, I know what she want. She want outside. She has an obsession with foxes because uh, we put food for foxes, but she got an obsession. It's always she likes to be outside and check for foxes. I was thinking your goal is to make profit. You must be crazy if you think my goal is to make profit. My goal is to make a living. Profit comes second. Yeah, if I'm doing something more, fine. But I'm trying only to make a living. To take like three, four, not what four, like I need like 5K per month to make a living. Foxes around here will eat her alive? No, they are scary. The foxes? No, I can't even. Nah. Foxes, no. No, they are. No, no. George, Scoate câini la plimbare, Diana. Diana, e treaba ei, jobul ei, câinele ei. Se ducă ea cu câinele la plimbare, nu eu. But it is suitable doing repairs for a living if you are efficient. Yeah, and it's about this country. That's all. It's not about different countries. Every country is different. A living means profit. Who is Michaela? Michaela. Not sure who is Michaela. Did he say Diana make the food later? No, I said Diana she's going to walk the dog outside. It's her job. What is the hardest part about running UK repair business? You need a very precise control on what you are trying to repair. That's all. So just getting a job and let me have a look. This doesn't work here. So you have to know what job you are taking for repair. Her job? Yes, her dog. She wanted a dog with my daughter. Do you get from YouTube watching ads and more money than repair? No. I mean, YouTube is fine. We have few members. I have like a lot of members on YouTube, and members revenue I think is better compared with ads revenue. But overall, like the whole YouTube, I can manage to pay my rent from YouTube. Mulțumesc mult de apreciere. Mă bucur să aud că ai reușit să repari câteva laptopuri. Laptop fix, Neața. Have you ever thought about fixing car electronics? You know what is the problem? And I do have this problem with the repair shops. The local repair shops or whatever. The problem is I'm doing 50% discount on repairs from a computer shop. This it will work well, and usually it is working well. But the problem is the computer shop. They don't set up the repair price from the beginning, like the right repair price. If the right repair price is not right, then the computer shop, they will not make money. So if, let's say I'm taking my 50%, but they are not taking nothing, then, it's not good for business. If they don't earn anything, it's not good for business. So the problem with the car electronics, they don't put the right price. I mean, I want 1,000, 2,000 pounds for a computer. When I know that computer, if they go to the manufacturer, it's like 10K. So I do want like 4K for repair, for soldering a wire, replacing one capacitor. I do want it. Well, if you try to explain them, it was a capacitor. The capacitor is like £1 or under £1, 1p. But I do want like 4K for the repair. They don't understand this. It's about the risk. You are working with components which they are linked to the car. That computer cannot be replaced. It has to be replaced by the manufacturer, and the manufacturer has to program that computer. So it's not like I'm greedy, but just, that's the way how the business works. The same like with the laptops. I'm going online and checking the price of the laptop. I'm setting up the price based on the laptop price. because it's a lot of risk involved there. It's a lot of, liability. I mean, you don't expect for a 2K laptop to charge £80 for a motherboard repair, right? Even if I change a capacitor. No, no, I'm sorry. No. And I learned this on a hard way. And one time I damaged a screen of an expensive laptop, and the job was booked in for, when I was working on a computer shop, was booked in cheap. And we lost a lot of money. Yeah. Which repair job make you say this isn't for me? Um, there are a lot of jobs which aren't for me. FLRN, good morning. So it's all about the 50% chance to fix it. It's all about that. When I have laptops, like I have a lot of jobs, which I try to write the BIOS, take out the part. I try to change the BIOS, and the laptop stop working. I replace the thermal paste. The laptop, no, that's a no go for me. Then I have a gaming laptop coming on in no, that's a no go. No, I can't take laptops coming on in no picture. Can I fix them? Yes, sometimes yeah. Sometimes you have a ramping, sometimes you have like a BIOS issue, but the probability to fix them it's under 50% for me personal. Yeah. So because of that, I cannot take these kind of jobs. Why don't we repair car motherboards? I just explained now why. Just like 5 minutes ago, we spoke about that. It's about the price. They'll the car shop. They will not book in that repair for the right price. Super IO is the hardest to reprogram. I will say the hardest to reprogram is actually the PD controller. Have you finished the coffee? Nearly finished. Yeah. No power, yeah, no power. Like dead laptops, you have a high chance to fix it. How long has been CCU8 pork skin? 1 week. We bought a lot. We bought like 1 meter of pork skin, sure each. And yeah, like 1 week ago. What about OBD? Refurbish, what repair? OBD, what is OBD? Can you fix a Class D car hi-fi amplifier where no schematics? I mean, usually that kind of amplifier, Class D, usually it is the chip. If everything is on chip. If you have like power transistors outside, then it's the driver. Car diagnostic tool, OBD. I have few requests about this kind of car interface to be repaired, but you can only repair like things related with the power. When you have like a dead chip, like I don't know, coming on, but you have no picture on the screen or stuff like that, you can't fix that. then they are cheap. You know, the people, they are not willing to pay a lot. Like a Pro Tool, you can have like 400, 500 pounds. Pogo pins from Temu, yeah, they are good. Yeah, I have them and I will use them in the future. I think the RAM repair should be interesting right now. I mean, how long do you think this it will go? Because at some point, the China it will start providing RAMs. If there are money to be made, definitely they will do it. So yeah, I don't think this it will hold for long. Yeah, probably they will not achieve that kind of performance regarding the, you know, the power, the energy efficient, but they can do it. They can do it even without like years of research. I think it's worse than crypto era. Probably. Yeah. I never seen you replace solder RAM. I mean, I never had like a faulty RAM. I have a faulty RAM once. I made a video about that, and I reflow the chips and start working. Otherwise, the RAM is, you know, it's not getting often faulty. JFix, good morning. Guys, I finished my coffee. What about yours? Huh? Don't mind also. Hey, good morning. Thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I finished my 2 coffees at 6:30 in the morning. I had my first coffee around 2:30 in the morning. 2:30, which is probably 12:30 your time. Huh? Early bird. Yeah. It's just 3:50. No, now it's like 8:50 in the morning. Yeah, you know what? I seen the videos. I seen it. I don't want to speak about it, but I seen the NLB video. I seen the other guy making the video. They will do it for free and stuff like that. It's just, you know, unfortunate thing. The NLBA guy got punished for nothing, or business destroyed for nothing. There is a software called something with I forgot the name of the software. It's one more software made to unlock the batteries. A 4-letter software. I forgot the name. Anyone knows the name of that software? The software is like It's like subscription based $1,000 per year, or $10 unlock for per battery unlock. So yeah, yeah, yeah. I have to do a video about the NLBA. There are some offers. Um, battery EEPROM works. Not sure I understand what you mean. Battery EEPROMs. Yeah, you can read the EEPROM. You can write the EEPROM on a different. Is in yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. I mean the NLBA is quite cheap for comparing with the market, with the unlocking batteries market. So yeah. I'm surprised there are not more. Yeah, the battery tools. You have to understand. You need you need a lot of research because each battery is different. Yeah. So you have to put a lot of work on onto this. But you have to do a lot. You have to do nothing. So if you buy an LBA in UK, you don't have to even touch a battery. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to unlock it. Yeah, and it will take the money out. So the price of the per year for a 10 years license is like £70. You will waste more money on the batteries buying wrong batteries than £70. So a computer business, even if they don't unlock any battery, just checking the batteries, they will lose nothing. Actually, you don't even need to buy like an unlock license. Only if you want to make extra money. For a hobby can be expensive. Yeah, it's not for a hobby. If that's what you ask me. For a hobby, it's not for a hobby. It's not for a hobby. Yeah, you're right. I bought one. I learned a lot from it. Smart people, they are making money. They are making crazy money just doing dodgy stuff. Like dodgy, okay. So I'm paying the license. I know someone texts me and say, sorry, I pay for the license 1 year, I save the EPROMs, and now I write back the EPROMs and I'm not paying for the license and stuff like that. I mean, it's not a problem if you do it by yourself, at home, but when you save unlocked EPROMs, yeah, unlocked EPROMs, unlocked with the device and give away to like few 100,000 people, there it will be a problem. We can get your software blocked. Yeah, but yeah, there are people doing good. Yeah, I mean, it was not made to for this kind of stuff, like to you know, reading and flashing the batteries. Actually, it was a support thing, from what I understood. Yeah, it was okay. Your battery cannot be unlocked. Then please save the EEPROM and send me the EEPROM to me to bring a update to the device. Well, yeah, it's a nice device. I can't say anything wrong. No, no, definitely. I mean, I'm paying subscription for my car dongle, the OBD11, and this one is fine also. The problem with the subscription is you are paying nothing for the developing the software. Basically, you pay per year, but I expect updates. That's what I expect. So if I'm paying a subscription, I expect updates. Yeah. How much do you charge for a local battery? Between 25 and 30 pounds. Depends of the battery. Hermos, do you know how to read cartridges from ink printers and reset the counter? Before I was doing it by flashing the EEPROM from inside on the old printers. I don't know now. Maybe they think changed. Are you using RTX voice? No. What is that? RTX voice or broadcast? I remember NVIDIA has like a proprietary streaming software, something like that. No, I'm not using it. No. I'm using the OBS, which is like a universal best software. No way. I'm using the battery analyzer just to make sure a battery is locked and I can make sure the battery is faulty. And even if you cannot unlock the battery, don't be crazy. What do you mean? Okay, let's say you don't buy the license, but you can check the battery. Yeah, you can check, you can read, and you can see everything. I will try to fix it. Maybe you have a dead fuse. Maybe you have an unbalanced cell. Maybe you have, I don't know. But definitely I will try to fix it, even if I don't have the reset option. Yeah. But just because you cannot reset it doesn't mean you cannot try to fix it. It keeps the outside noise down. Huh? There is no way they will be better than OBS. You have an OBS. You have built filters like here. What is mic? Yeah, and you have the mic. Then you have filters. Yeah, and here I have some VST filters. It's just a software. It's free software. You install it. So I have this is a EQ, and I know the people are saying the beeping from my multimeter it's annoying, but I do have a filter here. Let me try to beep because the people complain on my last video. So installing the beeping, it's crazy. Let me see. You see the it's slightly off. 1 second. You can't see the window. Okay, you can see it now. Okay. Okay, you can see it now. Yeah. Okay, good. So the beeping, it's exactly here. Well, I can see it's slightly off. And I can't see anything. So it's the 6 number, this one, frequency, and we can shift it a little bit. Huh. Perfect. So now you can hear the beep. I can bring some gain here. What about now? Noise suppression. What? But this doesn't have anything with noise suppression. It's better just before? What do you mean? Now it's exactly on the frequency. Ah, 1 second. Okay, let me bring this up. Gain. So this is without. No, actually, okay. Yeah, I think that's the best what I can do. This is the EQ, so you can cancel noises on the EQ, like a special noise somewhere. Then we have the noise suppression, because everything starts from here. Noise suppression, I have the low quality one. If I bring the good quality one, then this one is better. I don't really like it because the voice is kind of like, it's not natural. So I like this one, and I have like minus. Look, I can bring it down if you want. No, down is like that. So now it's basically no noise suppression, and probably you'll hear even my heater. Yeah, I can see that. You can't see it, right? No. Uh, check the noise here. And now if I bring this up, the noise is gone. Then you have the compressor. And the people said the voice is too low. So I can do a lot of things here. But I need more gain. So even if I have more gain, this cannot go up. On this case, I will bring more gain before the compressor. Microphone. And I have 72. Let me bring it to 80. So now the compressor, now it's okay. Yeah. Basically, I cannot distort. So even if I shout, I cannot distort because I have a compressor here. Then I have a output gain. Then I have a limiter, just to be sure. Nothing can go wrong. I think it's fine. This is the new OBS. The new one. What do you mean the new one? It's the last one from the website. Yeah. Can you add gain for your voice to be high? It's not high. Wait 1 second. Microphone. I think I cut down the high frequency from here. Because, I don't want to sound like a soprano. Number 4. Wait a second. Okay, now it's better. Okay, what about now? I mean, I can bring the highs more here. How is now? I don't want to sound like a soprano, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, I don't know. Sounds good? Okay. It's fine. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Guys, I finished my coffee. What about you? We are ready to have a great Sunday? Hmm? I finished breakfast. I didn't have breakfast, and I didn't boil bread, so I cannot have my three slices of bread of toast bread with butter and cheese. It's Diana's fault. I had only one slice. Yeah, because she didn't boil the bread. Yeah, it's her fault, and she has to fix this. Yeah, yeah. What Diana is cooking today? No, not cooking. We are playing. We are playing the PoE together. The Path of Exile too. Yeah. No, not cooking. We said, when the game is starting, just try, to have try to make more orders. We're gonna order something later. No, no, no. We are playing all day long. No, no, no. We are playing at least on weekend. Today is Sunday. Yeah. Today, no. We are playing all day long. Tomorrow, yeah. She can cook something. Support local food. You know what? I hate ordering food. I don't like it. I swear I don't like it. Whatever it is. I prefer 1,000 times better something which Diana is cooking. Which thermal camera are you using? The one from the review, remember? I'm going to my mate house. Always good to have like a mate, a friend, which is, doing barbecues. Thermal Master, yeah, Thermal Master. We have a video about that. It's awesome. You can share your gaming pack. Yeah, what do you mean? We are playing together. Yeah. I mean, we're kind of like a modern parents. The kids are playing, we are playing. Celeste Lucian. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Yeah, just want to say have a beautiful Sunday and thank you for being here, having a coffee with me. There will not be a lot of content these days, yeah, because I have some work to do and I have my stuff. I will go like easy till the next year, but I will still, come for a coffee on a Sunday. Going to be grinding? Yeah, I'm like level 50. I'm level 50. Yeah, me and Anna. But we are not yet. We are not yet. We just level up like a minion build before we actually pick up like a proper build and proper class. So we are waiting to see the druid builds. They are coming on. They are coming up. Then we are looking for the new sorcerer build Ascendancy to see what is coming. And after that, we're gonna start actually playing the game in a proper way. Just trying to enjoy the end of the year, probably like everyone else. So I will say thank you for being here and having a coffee with me. Enjoy the day, and yeah, see you on the next time. Not sure when. Maybe I will upload some old content because I have a lot of repair videos which they haven't been yet edited. But yeah, we'll see what I can do. Enjoy the day, yeah? Bye.